Alright, so we've got this new jockey wheel, but it's a little bit too tall for the trailer, so we are just going to cut this weld right here and re-weld it lower down here so that we can fit the bracket on there. Yay, thus fixing a really broken problem. Alright, so we've successfully separated this and we're just going to clean it up and then weld it back together so it'll work. Alright, so we have our modified jockey wheel and we're going to paint it and reinstall it. Problem solved. Yay, success.
Be sure to hit the subscribe button and like and comment if you enjoyed this video. If you want to be awesome and provide support for better content, click on the Patreon link in the description below. Check us out online at Gearheadgirl69.com or GHG69.com, or follow us on Instagram and TikTok at Gearheadgirl69.